How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be making a very simple and actually quite quick to make slow cooker hot chocolate, and you only need 3 ingredients. So you need 300ml of double cream, which is in here full. This costs like 85p as well. You need 1 litre of milk and then 300 grams of chocolate. Now it says to use 200 grams of dark and 100 grams of milk. I've just gone all out for 300 grams of milk because I'm not the biggest dark chocolate fan. Okay, so my slow cooker is turned on and it is on the low setting. So the first thing I'm going to put in is the double cream. Get that chucked straight in, like so. And then we need the 1 litre of milk. So this obviously is quite a lot. So that's half a litre, and then that's the full litre. That's all in there nicely together now. And now I'm going to add in the milk chocolate. Obviously it already wants to have been broken up or chopped up or whatever. Don't judge the plate either. I just ran out of plates doing my last video, so we're on to the old party plate. So I don't think I missed with any. No. So now I'm just going to give this a quick stir. It doesn't say you have to, but I think it's a good idea. Just make sure the cream and milk mix in, and obviously the chocolate's not just piled on top of itself. So that is literally all it really needs. And now I'm going to put the lid on. It needs to be left for 2 hours and then stirred and then for 20 minutes. And like I say, that is on the low setting. Well, we'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, let's see how this is. So I need to give it another 20 minutes. Not really melted that well though, to be honest. Not that impressed. Who knows though, another 20. Even not put it on high. Right, so it is now done. So I think stirring it definitely helps. There is a bit of a skin on it. I think that's from the cream. I think if you just give it a good stir, it smells really good. And yeah, so I think that's just a case of you just need to stir it away. Because now, as you can see, it looks fine. I think there's still some melted chocolate stuck to the bottom, but it's not the end of the world. But we're going to give it a try now. Trying to not make a complete mess whilst ladling it. In fact, I don't know how much to do because I don't want to make too much and it'd be really sickly. That'll do. There we go. And of course, some squirty cream. Okay, so last thing to do now is just give it a try. Smells great.
Daddy, can I remember chocolate?
You can. 1 minute. It tastes really good. It is super duper hot, but it's so nice and worth the make, and really cheap and easy to do as well. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.